This is not a joke. Put a green apple under the bed. It's amazing what you can do. Many people do not believe in energy issues. But the truth is that they exist. And so it has been demonstrated on countless occasions. Negative energy can affect people's health, limiting prosperity and good things. The green apple is excellent for neutralizing bad energy, improving economy and restoring harmony. From the energy point of view, the green apple hides multiple beneficial properties. All you need is a green apple. There are different ways of harnessing your neutralizing power. Today I will talk about different ways to eliminate negative energy using green apples. 1. To clean the bad vibrations that are absorbed each day, put on a plate a green apple in 4 parts. That is, you make 2 cuts of green apple in the shape of a cross. A round green split apple, put a circle of salt inside the same dish and put under the bed before going to sleep. If you cannot put it under the bed, lay it aside on the wall or on the floor. The next day do not touch the green apple, put it in a plastic bag and throw it away from home. Repeat at least 3 days in a row and see how it feels better. 2. To change the energy of our home, it is recommended to put water and juice of green apple, and to spray the whole house with this mixture, especially the corners of the house that is where the bad energy is concentrated. 3. To protect ourselves from envy, put green apples in our wallet or in a desk drawer and this will keep us in balance. 4. The easiest is to place 2 green apples in different sectors of the house. They should be replaced when black. 5. To attract abundance and prosperity, we will put 7 green apples on a plate, above the refrigerator, on a bed of rice. 6. Place a glass dish with 2 green apples on the bedside table to attract love. They should be replaced when black.